Every time when we work on a project, we try to do something new and exciting. One of the reasons why we choose Adobe products is that it gives us more flexibility in what we're trying to achieve.
As a feature editor, you always want things to be changing and improving. We want to be comfortable with the tools with which we work.
What we need in an editing package is really an uninterrupted flow between the idea and the output. And so Premiere seemed like the perfect choice for us.
I feel like I'm able to work faster. I'm able to get an idea out of my brain faster with Premiere. We just love the program, and I feel like the show is better because of it.
As cutting becomes more involved with visual effects, that's become increasingly important that you have platforms like this helping you sort of see the film as you go along.
The way I edit is conducive to using Adobe Premiere. The way I can move in Premiere is the way that I would see things playing out on my head.
Premiere is simple to navigate, but it offers so much complexity.
These are the kinds of tools that we need to go beyond metaphor and go beyond simile.
Premiere Pro allowed us to just concentrate on telling the story and less about importing and doing all these other things that slow down the process and would have really hindered our creative ability.
For me, editing is 50% of direction, because I'm recreating it in post and I'm rewriting it in post.
I think that it's an extreme golden time. The editing system doesn't get in your way and allows you to facilitate the vision that you think in your head that you would like to be able to do, and the system says, yeah, I can do that.